friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making chicken tenders in the air fryer without breading. I already have a recipe on my channel and website for breaded chicken tenders. You can check out the description for the link. But if you want to make it keto, gluten-free, no breading, here's the recipe for you. So what we need is chicken tenders, seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And I'm also going to use a little bit of olive oil. Oil is optional, it's just for flavor. So if you'd like to leave it out, you can. So now I'm going to season the chicken tenders. So let me just sprinkle on the seasonings. And now I'll flip them over and sprinkle the other side. And I'll also drizzle them with oil. So just use as much oil as you like. And now I'm going to rub in the oil and seasoning so it's evenly distributed. So now chicken tenders are perfectly seasoned. So now we don't need breading for flavor. Seasonings make them very tasty and healthy. So good. And now I'm going to take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to add chicken tenders in the air fryer. Just put them in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And let's flip the chicken tenders over so they cook evenly. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these chicken tenders. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now you can make sure the temperature is correct before you take them out. So let me just use the instant read thermometer. So it should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's above 165, so they're cooked. All air fryers cook differently, so if yours are not ready, just put them back for a few more minutes until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So let me take them out. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So see, they're perfectly cooked inside. Delicious. They're so tender, so tasty. You will love them. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!